Well, boys, today we're going to be going to pick up the main parts for the DriftVette build. It's been a crazy few months trying to source parts, and stuff is on back order, trying to finalize stuff with sponsors. But anyway, we're going to be heading down to Drift HQ to pick up the parts. So let's go see what those boys are up to. Let's see what these boys are up to.
What up?
What's up, man?
What's going on, Kenny? How you doing, man?
Pretty good, buddy. What's up, man? Good.
We just got some fancy upgrades for your Cyrus car. You see this bad boy?
After the factory.
Was it G-Force?
Yeah, buddy.
Nice QuickTime bell housing.
Yeah, had to get the SFI boy. You know,
New
hopefully he
drive
won't
shaft.
break this one.
Yeah,
It's
for real.
really
Right?
good at braking transmission.
How many T56s did he go through?
7.
Oh my
Seven.
god.
2 of them
man.
were built.
Love sauce.
Can never have too much sauce.
Never have too much sauce.
Sometimes you get lost in the sauce, but hey.
Whatever. That's what we're here for, to fix it. This bumper's held on by 2 zip ties. That's all it needs because it clicks into place.
Yeah, it just sits right on the
You
bar.
can't even pull it out if you wanted to. You have to know how to wiggle it out.
It's nuts. Yeah, Chris and Cricket killed it on this build. Thing is absolutely insane. Silver's coilovers. There's that FDF all billet kit. Top notch for sure. G-Force, 4-speed trans. Winner's quick change.
FDF grip kit.
All the grip. Especially these Achilles 285s in the back. Jeez. Here's the man. What's up, buddy?
What's up, brother? How you doing?
Good, man. How you doing?
Good.
Getting ready for?
Busy.
Yeah, well, I bet.
Clutch kickers.
Gonna be quite a weekend, huh?
Weren't you competing?
I want to, but it ain't ready yet.
Get it ready. Let's go.
Hopefully for
We
round
got
2.
Tonight,
Yeah.
tomorrow. You know how it is.
Yeah,
You got
yeah.
your parts yet or what?
We're about to look at them, so.
Grab it,
Hey
man.
man, I did coilovers, ankle kit, and a dual caliper with a hydro in a day.
In a day, you can do it.
Hey.
You can do it. Just go
We'll see.
stock, put angle kit, send it.
Yes, sir.
You
We'll
have the
see.
driver mod, so you're good to go, right?
Hopefully, right? So you just finished this car up, right?
Yes and no. I mean, we just refinished it for like the 5th time already. We've been in a battle with this car to get it to this point. Pretty much we've done everything possibly to it, but it always kept smoking. So now we think that we have it figured out. We covered the portholes and we added a new modular catch can, and should be good.
So what all is done to this thing?
N54 out of 335. Big boy intake there. Single turbo, port injection, direct injection deletes that we just made and launched on the site today. The first time we dynoed this car, I think it made like 660, something absurd like that.
Jeez.
She moves.
She's gonna be a rowdy girl this weekend.
Oh yeah.
What angle kit's on this thing?
This is an SLR angle kit.
Okay.
I didn't want to go crazy with like a rear mount radiator or anything. It cools pretty fast. That's one thing I really like about these engines. I'll be driving it as hard as I can.
There you go. That's all that matters.
It's got a one-piece drive shaft. We made an adapter to be able to run a one-piece that sells a lot as well. Like all this stuff we custom made, like the billet bracket for the AEM coils, the injector deletes. So we're building one piece at a time, and just people are dying for the pieces. Not a lot of companies make parts for these, and when they do, it's very expensive.
Right.
So we made it affordable, and they're just working.
Definitely pretty sick.
We're going orange in 2021.
No, that's fun.
No,
Wait, what'd you say?
I didn't say anything.
I know, right?
Those are fighting
That's
words.
his dream. Every time we had a problem with this car, he would want LS
Another
swap,
motor blew up.
LS
That's
swap
my
it.
LS.
Can't always run to the LS. Just
Hey.
You can't even
Yep.
have to.
Hey, let's swap the world.
Amen.
I bought the Vette. I bought the C6 Vette.
Six in a row.
Now we're
ready to tow.
talking.
Yeah, LS
What
swap.
about the,
LS swap, bro.
Hey, once you buy one LS, it's not going to be your last.
Oh, you heard LS? I heard your
Hey.
Wait, who's over there? Is that Saucy Savio?
For the longest time, and he's finally letting it out.
Driving it. Was that love or was that hate?
It was like,
I think you love to hate it.
yeah, he loved it too much. He gave a lot of sauce. He definitely drove the crap out of it for the first time that he got it. He laid that out. But you can't, man. You know, you can't.
Oh, yeah.
There's no comparison. Like you can look at it, it's both beasts. But you know, LS goes up all
Hey.
day, every day.
Hey.
You know, it's V8. It's V8 is the way. I mean, look, Joel's over here. Yeah, BMW lovers, but I got my V8 lovers right here too.
Hey,
What's the question for Kenny? How are you gonna drive your new Vette?
you
Like
know.
or like a man, right?
Balls to the wall, you know.
Balls to the wall, competition wise, or balls to the wall?
Them bald eagles got to scream,
They
man.
gotta.
Someone's door, right?
Yeah, hey.
Are you gonna cry when they get on your door if you leave a few scratches?
Hey, I mean, if it happens, it happens. But if we can prevent those, you know, little love taps.
So
then
get a
we'll do it.
sponsorship. The first sponsorship that me and Savio ever got was a paint shop. That's what I
Dang,
recommend.
I didn't even do that yet.
Recommend the paint shop to work
Definitely
with
use
you.
that sponsorship a lot.
Yeah.
All right, well, guys, thank you for showing me the build.
It's a pleasure, brother. Thank you for stopping by.
Yeah, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Get
sir.
that Vette ripping, man.
brother.
Yes, sir.
Give
All right.
you 2 days. I'll see you at Clutch Kickers.
Yeah, we'll see.
See you at Clutch Kickers.
All right, let's go check out these parts here.
All right, dude. So we got a whole box of stuff just waiting for you.
All right.
Been here for, dude. Didn't we call you like last week? Where you
no,
been?
no, I wish. All right.
Yeah, dude. You know, KennySlides. We have no idea what your last name actually is, so it's just KennySlides. Got the line kit. That's gonna be for your dual calipers. It's a full thing from the hydro to the back of the car.
All right.
All plug and play. And then extended front brake lines. You may be wondering what's that for. Actually, oh, there's one more box I'm missing. Oh god. That box is like 75 pounds. I probably did pick it up subconsciously. But we'll see what that's for. Hydro mount bracket.
Perfect.
Universal C5 Z06. I think there's a little tweaking you gotta do with the C6, but
Yeah, we'll figure
it's
it out.
all self-explanatory. It's just 4 bolt holes.
Perfect.
And then laid dual calipers assembled by yours truly. Make sure that they are on point. So it's a dual piston caliper from Willwood that we have accommodated for the vented brake.
Sick.
So this is the only bolt-on dual caliper kit for the Corvettes, the C5 and C6. We have them here in-house, designed, tested, and proven. Everyone's loving it.
Oh yeah.
So we got those. We got blacked out quick release.
Sweet.
You want any accent colors in your car, huh?
There'll be a little color in there.
Okay. And then you got the hub. All right. Goes onto the spline. Adapt for the quick release or steering wheel if you don't want the quick release.
Right.
Yeah. Put that back in there real snug. Got the brake pads. These are the Poly Matrix. These are the cold bite pads. So pretty much as soon as you actuate the handbrake, it'll lock up the rear wheels.
Perfect.
And then, ooh, what's this? Made in USA. So yeah, these are the brackets.
Billet beauties.
These actually allow you to retain the handbrake, the stock handbrake. We have another model which actually deletes the handbrake. A lot easier to install, but this one actually lets you retain the stock parking brake, which some people care about. Honestly, I put the car in gear.
Right.
But this, you know, you have that true feel of like, just leave it neutral, you know, you
Right.
can park the car anywhere.
True street car.
Yeah, exactly. That's what you're going for.
Yeah, we'll see how long that lasts.
Right? You got the hydraulic handbrake, which is from IRP. It's a Lithuanian company. Really high quality billet aluminum handle. steel base. Got the Willwood Master on there, pre-installed, red anodized. So I think that's gonna be your accent color, huh?
It might be.
Might be. Oh, okay. All right, all right.
Add a little color.
KennySlides got some secrets. And a big component right here. Let's just move this. We got coilovers.
All right.
These are the silvers. I actually want to open these. They have the Swift spring upgrade. So Swift springs, top of the line springs, true accurate rates. It's a whole different feel. Like, yeah, stock springs, they work, but once you start getting into that competitive level, or, you know, that serious driving, which Kenny's definitely been doing forever on the street and now on the track, this is gonna be the real one. All right, so we found a knife.
Oh geez, watch out.
Yeah, this is for opening boxes only, you know?
Boxes only, okay.
Boxes only, not self-defense. That's what these puppies are for.
Get these hands.
Get these hands. But yeah, these are the silvers, coilovers.
All right.
So these are custom rates.
The 20K front.
20K
and,
front. Whoa,
10K
whoa.
rear.
This is the real deal. Yeah, a lot of Corvette guys run different ones. I think the C5 is what uses the 16K.
Right.
It's lighter.
Yeah, last has a 16K front.
Exactly. So these are the Swift springs. And what's really cool about these coilovers is one thing I've seen a lot of other coilover brands have is that, I believe this is the front, right? The front, they usually have a rubber bushing. This one is actually a spherical joint. So what that does, it's metal on metal, but it's a lubricated joint that it wears out way less than rubber. And I can't turn this right now. It's like, it's supposed to be nice and precise and actually, you know, give you more feel of what the road is and all that.
Right.
So real race upgrade, it'll last a heck of a ton longer than rubber.
Right. Don't have to worry about it like some other
Exactly.
brand out there.
Yeah, I've seen some coilovers like split in half on a Corvette.
Yeah, we definitely don't want that.
Yeah, these won't.
So bolt them in,
Bolt
set
them
them
in.
up, and send it.
And then, yeah, let's go to that big box.
All right, let's go check it out.
So this is our packing and shipping room. And there's that really, like you can see that, it's clearly indicated that it is heavy.
Jeez.
Yeah, I think it's about like 80 pounds, 70 pounds, somewhere around there. But you can take a gander at what's inside. It's just, you know, cut it slightly and just not hurt what's inside. They put a lot of tape on this box.
Precious
Like,
merchandise in there.
Like, there is a lot of tape on this box.
This came from a long ways away, right?
Yeah, usually we stock these, but they sell out like crazy. So we actually have to get it directly from Canada. Because in collaboration with Mr. KennySlides and FDF, we all collaborated on this kit to get him what he needs to throw all the angle on this Corvette.
Yeah. Can never have too much angle.
Yeah, exactly. Like, you don't have to use it all the time, but when it's there, it's there.
Exactly.
Like, the more angle you throw, the slower you go, but you know, when you gotta catch yourself, you catch yourself.
Right, scrub speed, you know. You make a mistake.
The coolest looking bit would probably be the knuckle. So I'll probably unwrap that. This is a full knuckle replacement. With, I believe it has an adjustable Ackerman and all that good stuff. By
Fancy.
FDF. FDF Race Shop. They develop parts for pretty much any car that drifts nowadays. And they actually made a mini kit, so there's going to be an even more affordable angle option. But this one's the full, like, you're going to be competitive. You're going to go out there. I think it goes like that, yeah. The full competitive style. So it has the Ackerman adjustment right here for the tie rod. The tie rod would go here. Lower arm, upper arms. And yeah, you bolt on your wheel bearing onto that. It's full laser cut metal. I believe it's MIG welded, but you see those welds right there. Flawless.
Yeah, those aren't giving out.
Yeah, I know.
Something real
I know, Cam. I watched him make a whole bunch of these knuckles in front of me when I went to Canada, and this man is a robot. Like, you would say, like, some people have said, like, oh, is that robot welded, like machine welded? Like, is there something there? No, literally, he's just there, sitting in front of there, just going back with the MiG. But
Nice.
it's all high production value.
Quality stuff.
Yeah, I would unwrap the rest, but legit took 5 minutes to take this apart.
Yeah, you guys will see that in
Yeah, you'll
upcoming
see it once he
videos.
installs it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll just grab the rest of your parts, and maybe you'll help me with that box.
Yep. We'll load them all up.
A whole bunch of steel.
Get these suckers ready to put on the car.
Like it has 2 dudes on it. Like obviously, it's just going down. It's always great working with the locals because we get to drop off the parts directly to their cars. Concierge service over here. We don't get that many locals, but Kenny, I'm glad you're in town.
Heck yeah. Not a far drive.
Hear that? Some American muscle over there.
America. All right, all the precious cargo's loaded up. Corvettes are good to go for a parts run.
Yeah, dude. Like Chris said, in 2 days, we better see this thing drifting, all right?
Right?
All right.
Heck yeah, brother.
I'll see you.
Thanks, buddy.
Can't wait to see this thing drift.
So I'm back home now. I can't wait to get thrashing on this thing, getting all these parts on this car. I'll be talking about the products themselves. I'll be installing them and of course testing. If you guys need anything for your drift build or car in general, hit up Drift HQ. You'd be surprised on how many products they offer on their website. You know, they're an awesome group of guys. They build cars, you know, especially drift cars, and they're also drivers. So they, you know, they're the real deal. I even talked to them for you guys about hooking you guys up. So any of the products you see in my videos, there'll be a discount code. Use KennySlides on checkout and you'll receive a percentage off of your order. Just be on the lookout for these videos, guys. And I can't wait to get behind the wheel of this thing and show what we can do. But that'll do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and we'll see you next time.